Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this VEVOR lawn sweeper. So it's getting to be that time of year where we're going to have to pick up some leaves. I already hear a leaf blower going with the neighbor. And reason number 1 is this is lightweight. So it's extremely lightweight. I'm going to be pushing it here in a little bit. Reason number 2 is assembly only took me about 15 minutes. It was very easy to assemble. And reason number 3 is the basket. So after you've got a basket full of leaves, you just grab it by this handle, empty it out. Very simple to put back in. Put those little ears and those little feet and like a little track. You can snap those back in if you want, and you're ready to go. I can adjust the height, high or low. I've got it up really high right now. It is harder to move when the brushes are closer to the ground. But let's go ahead and just see how it's going to do. Yeah, this thing's going to work really well. Now again, it does get a little harder to push when it's lower to the ground, but that's doing a really good job. Now, if you're wanting something lightweight, easy to push, I can store this up against the wall, but again, look how easy this is. Grab it by this handle. I can empty everything out. Put it back, and it's ready to go. I got a couple more adjustments. Put that back in. I can adjust the angle here. I like it at a taller angle. That way it's easier for me to push. I'm a little bit taller. I can loosen these and fold the handle over center so it doesn't take up as much space too. Nope, I'm really looking forward to using this. Look, I'm using one hand. It's so easy to push. Let's take it a little bit lower to the ground. Loosen this. I have to kind of like pull this up a little bit. It's a little hard to do with one hand there. It's got these little detents you can adjust. Again, going all the way, having that brush is all the way to the ground, it can get really hard to move. There's a little bit lower. Let's give it a try. Yep. Still easy to push. Turning it it's a little harder when you want to turn on. Like if you try to turn really, really sharp sometimes. Now when I go backwards, say I'm going up this hill, the brushes don't turn. I like that. The wheels still turn, but the brushes don't. In this kind of weeds, it's a little harder to push. I've got it too low to the ground. It does really good if you got just grass. It doesn't like tall weeds. Yeah, when I've got just grass, it's so much better. Doesn't like weeds, but it works really great. Okay, look at that. Nice. And this is an area where we don't mow, and we just dump it, and you're ready to go. This is a really nice leaf collector, grass clipping collector, lawn sweep. I think it's going to come in really handy. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.